Okay, so thank you so much for filling out the food diary for me. I just wanted to go over your nutrition and give you my recommendations. I think that you just need to increase servings of fruits and vegetables and some dairy. So as far as the vegetables, you should have about 3 to 5 servings a day. For the dairy, milk, yogurt, cheese, 2 to 3 servings a day. And then the fruit is 2 to 4 servings a day. As far as your omega-3 fatty acids, I didn't see many resources of those in your diet. So I would recommend that you increase your consumption of fish, 2 to 3 servings a day of meat and fish. And then you need to change your intake of simple carbohydrates, which would be regular bread, to complex carbohydrate, which means that you should change the bread to whole wheat bread and then whole wheat pasta as well. And it is recommended that you have 6 to 11 servings a day of bread and pasta. As far as your periodontal disease, there are certain foods that will help your immune system fight off the inflammation in your tissues and help the body heal. You need to incorporate omega-3 fatty acids into the diet. It will not only help with the healing, but it will also reduce your cholesterol. So with your blood pressure being high, I think that's very important. As far as omega-3 fatty acids, the sources for those are fish, like salmon and tuna. Also walnuts. It's very easy to carry those around, in a little bag in your purse. You can have a few of those a day. And canola oil, for example, so vegetable oil. Use vegetable oil, in your salads, for example. Also, to help combat periodontal disease, there are certain vitamins that help, like vitamin A, for example, B complex, vitamin D, and some minerals like calcium and magnesium. To boost the immune system, vitamin A, B, and C is important. And then for the collagen formation in the tissues, C, iron, zinc, and copper. So I just wanted to go over the sources of these vitamins so you can include these foods in your diet. Vitamin C is citrus fruit and then vegetables like broccoli. Vitamin A, carrots and sweet potatoes are very good, so I would switch from regular potatoes to sweet potatoes, in your diet. And then for the B complex, eggs, milk, legumes, and some meat like beef, for example. So I think that the eggs, I didn't see really those incorporated into your diet, so you may want to look into maybe incorporating some egg whites in the morning into your diet. Iron is important, and we find iron in clams, and I know you said you don't like shellfish, so you can go ahead and use different resources for that mineral, like soybeans and pumpkin. Calcium, spinach is very good, so you can incorporate that in with your salads. And I noticed you don't really have many vegetables in your diet, so I would try and eat at least one salad a day, and you can always incorporate spinach in with that, and that will give you the calcium. And then yogurt and some cheese, mozzarella cheese, also delivers a lot of calcium. And for zinc, green peas, beef, and yogurt. Again, the green peas would be easily incorporated in with your salads, so I would recommend that. I will go ahead and make a copy of my recommendations and give those to you. Okay.